My name is Michelle Comer, and I'm the Central District Preserve Manager. And one of my preserves that I have the privilege of managing is Clifton Gorge State Nature Preserve. This is a 268-acre site. Fantastic wildflower display. Half-a-mile trail leads down the Narrows Trail to the village of Clifton. And we also have the Gorge Trail as well as the Rim Trail. The site is the upper reaches of Little Miami River. Little Miami River is a scenic river. It's a state scenic as well as a national scenic river.